The foundation I wear in the L'Oreal True Match is 6.5. And once I get done blending out this color corrector, you're going to see just how amazing this goes on. Pumping some out, swiping it on, and you can see that as I push it into the skin, it literally disappears. That's exactly what you want from a foundation, but the color punch doesn't surprise me. Not only does this foundation come in 47 shades, which is so nice, it's formulated with 6 different pigments. But while we're here, let me show you some of the other shades that I was considering. Here we have 5.5, which I think I could have made work, but it is just a little too cool toned for me. And I do typically always go for neutral foundations, but just for fun, I wanted to try out something warm, so I went for warm 7. But when I compared the two shades, this did end up being a little too warm, which is how I chose 6.5. This is very much a medium coverage, and the formula is so thin, so if you live somewhere super hot like I do here in Texas, this is perfect because it does not feel suffocating or thick. But if you want to build up coverage, just take your foundation and in a light tapping motion, build it up and stipple it out just like this. Let it dry for about 30 seconds and then finish blending it out, and you're gonna have so much more opacity and coverage. Now that it's been about 30 seconds, I'm just taking a fluffier brush and I'm lightly tapping over that to push it into the skin and set everything in place. This is the finished look using the L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade 6.5 neutral. By the way, you guys, at the start of my makeup routine, I pumped out 2 pumps. This is how much I have left over. So you literally just need 1 pump and you can build up and get your desired coverage. I love that it looks like skin. I love that it comes in so many different shades, and I love that it's at a drugstore price point. Let me know if you've tried it.